Hola chicos, Señora Vasquez here. I'm sorry I can't be there today, but please make sure that you do your assignment. So for your assignment, you have to do the reading first. Make sure you read everything, annotate your reading, highlight. Then after you're done with that, you're going to click on the link for the questions. So your questions you are going to submit online. And I'm going to teach you in this video what you have to do to add your answers and then to submit. So for me, I'm going to share with you my screen. I have to copy and paste it. Okay. So the first thing that you should see is the name of your assignment. This one is called Las Fallas Questions. Okay. So your assignment should be up here. Then you are going to type your name. Say my name is Ana Perez. Okay, click start. Okay, so here are your questions. You can zoom in or you can zoom them out. The most important thing you need to know is that this T is to add text. So click where you want to add text. First, click on the T. You see this little hand? You move it up. Ana Perez. Then click on the T again. Click where you want to type. You can also expand this. Click on there and drag your mouse that way. Type your answers. Pretty simple, right? T again. Click on where you want to type. Type what you want. You can always make it longer. Let's say you mess up and you don't want that. Click on the trash can. And then maybe you did want that, so you do the undo. Do, undo, okay? Here is the text size. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, but I prefer you leave it on the 14, so try not to mess with that. You don't need anything else from here right now. So, but there's other things that you can play around with, but for right now, the most important thing is the T. Then click where you want to write. Type your answers. If you want to come back to your questions, you can click here and save for later. If you're done, you're absolutely done, make sure you scroll your screen up and down to make sure that you have answered all your questions. Okay, if you are absolutely done, make sure you click I am done. See right here, this green box right here, worksheet submission succeeded. So once you see that, Ms. Vasquez will be able to see it on her end. If you don't see this, Ms. Vasquez is not going to see Ana Perez's answers, okay? So make sure you click I am done and make sure you see that green box, okay? So that's the basics, and make sure you do your work, and I will see you guys back when I come back, all right? Adios. Love you guys.